What's something people don't know about SD cards? They're not invincible, but most problems, including stubborn formatting errors, are easy to solve. Here's how to get yours working again. First, plug your SD card into your computer. Open Disk Management by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Disk Management. Find your SD card, right-click it, and select Format. Pick a file system like exFAT or FAT32 and hit Start. Still stuck? Let's try Command Prompt. Open it as an administrator, then type DiskPart. Next, type list disk and find your SD card's number. Select your SD card with Select Disk X. Type clean to wipe it, then create partition primary, and finally format Fs = exFAT quick. If nothing works, run chdask drive letter per F in command prompt to fix errors. Quick tip, check the little lock switch on your SD card. It should be pushed up. You got this. Save and use your SD card without the hassle.